A double-headed power cable allows you to power two modules from a single power outlet. To make one, you'll need one 16-way crimp connector and two 10-way connectors. Start the same way you do for a regular cable. Feed the cable under the handle and through the 16-way connector. Then draw out enough cable and feed on the first 10-way connector. Now crimp the first connector using the orange lever as normal. Crimp the 16-way connector using the left orange lever. Now remove the cable and instead of cutting it, extend a loop of the cable and measure it out for the second lead. Now cut the cable in line with where the first cable ends. Now unfold the whole cable and lay the section of the cable that you just cut, lining up the red mark with the indicator as per normal. Only in this case, the 16-way connector is pointing towards you. Feed on the second 10-way connector. Insert it into the slot as normal. Finally, crimp it using the orange lever. And that makes a functional two-headed cable. Trim off any excess cable if you prefer, and I recommend you install a strain relief that makes the cable easier to handle.